Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to Knowledge Crafter. Today we are going to discuss about the science of sleep. Sleep. We all need it, but do we truly understand it? For many, sleep is a simple time we rest after a busy day. But there are so much happening while we drift into the worlds of dream. In this video, we are going to uncover the science behind sleep, what happened to our body and brain, why it is crucial, and how we can improve our sleep for better health. Sleep is a complex biological process that allows your body to rest and repair itself. But it is not just about resting. It is also a time for your brain to recharge and process information. You might be surprised to learn that we spend about one third of our life sleeping. That's roughly 25 years of life spent in bed. To understand sleep, we need to explore its stages. Our sleep is made of two main types, REM and not REM sleep. Non-REM sleep is the deep sleep that helps with physical recovery and immune function. It has three stages. Stage 1, light sleep, the transition from wakefulness to sleep. Stage 2, deeper light sleep, where body temperature drops, heart rate slows, and body starts to relax. Stage 3, slow wave sleep, the deepest stage of non-REM sleep, where the body undergoes its most restorative process like tissue repair and growth. And then there is REM sleep, rapid eye movement sleep. The stage is where most of vivid dreams occur. It is also crucial for memory consolidation and learning. During REM sleep, your brain activity is similar when you are awake, but your body is essentially paralyzed to prevent from acting out your dreams. This stage happens in cycle throughout the night, usually starting about 90 minutes after falling asleep and gets longer as the night is progress. But why is sleep so important? Well, it affects almost every part of our health. First, sleep plays a crucial role in cognitive function. Without enough sleep, your ability to concentrate, solve problems, and retain information suffers. This is because your brain uses sleep to process and store memories, organize thoughts, and remove waste products. Sleep also strengthens the immune system. While you are resting, your body releases cytokinin protein that help fights off infection and inflammation. Without enough sleep, your immune system does not function properly, leaving you more susceptible to illness. Then there is metabolism and weight connection. Poor sleep can disrupt the hormones that control hunger, leading to increased cravings to unhealthy foods and overeating. Lack of sleep also affects how your body processes glucose, increasing the risk of type 2 diabetes. On the flip side, getting enough sleep can boost your mood and overall mental health. It helps regulate the production of stress hormones, like keeping anxiety and depression in check. Now, if sleep is so vital, how can we improve it? Start by establishing a consistent sleep schedule. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps regulate your body interlock, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up. Create a simple, friendly environment. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. And limit screen time before bed. The blue light from phone and computer interfere the production of melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleeps. Relax before bed. By unwinding with a calming activity, meditation, deep breathing, or gentle stretches can help signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Finally, aim for recommended amount of sleep for your age group. For adults, that's typically 7 to 9 hours per night. Getting enough sleep will not only boost your energy but also improve your health in countless ways. So, the next time you lay your head down, remember, sleep isn't just a break for your busy day. It's a vital process that powers your mind and body. By understanding the science behind it, we can all make better choices to sleep well and live better. Thanks for watching. Sleep well and take care of your body. It is the only one you have got. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share for more educational videos.